Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, narrates, Rasulullah ﷺ came to us and said, "Take protection with your shields." Sahaba, the companions of the Prophet, asked, "O Rasulullah, is there a threat of some enemy coming?" He said, "Take protection with your shields against the fire of hell. Say Subhanallah, Allah is flawless. Alhamdulillah, praise be to Allah. La ilaha illallah, none is worthy of worship but Allah. Allahu Akbar, Allah is the greatest." On the day of resurrection, these words will come from the front, back, right, and left. Defense from all sides of the one who had recited them, and ensure deliverance for him. And these are those good deeds for which the reward will be given eternally.